We are back. We are back with another episode today. First of all, welcome back. Thank you so much for all the subscriptions, the views, the likes, and everything. I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. Earlier today, we got a call. Guys, you want a free car? We said like, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, but there's a catch. You have to come pick it up today. So here we are. I brought a tow strap just in case, but we are gonna try and start it and drive it home. We live on a small island, so nothing is far. I think from where it sits to here is about maybe 20 miles, 30 miles. That's it. So it's a pretty much short drive, but we don't know the history of the truck. It's a Chevrolet S10 with a 4-cylinder. We saw a picture earlier, but the picture's kind of blurry, so we don't know what to expect. Let's go and see it. I'm waiting for Jerry. Jerry's coming. We can get a few beers and head over there. Here he is, the man of the hour. Jerry, are you ready for today's adventure?
Hold on, I just ready to fuck up this door.
Yeah,
Yes, I am ready for it.
the door's sagging.
There it is.
There he is.
Go left.
Okay. Do you think B can lend us some tools? Because I forgot mine.
Want me to grab my toolbox?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, he's gonna grab his toolbox. We can get some beer, and off we go.
Got it. All the finest.
We got some Rona, boys. Oh no,
Psych!
it's Amstel Bright. Thank God for that. No, let's go. Oh, the good stuff, the cheap stuff we can find. This is for my leaking transmission fluid, power steering fluid. Okay, we're here. We're sharing the first impression with you guys. Oh my lord, where's the bed, man?
Somewhere.
Oh, there it is.
I was told there's free shit in it, but I didn't know it was that far away.
There's my old Bronco, and there's a truck. Okay, let's park this beast so we can get stuff done. This is part of it. Okay, so we got a bed. Hey, no rust. No rust. Full of crap. B! You're the B. Here's the B, man. He brings the beer, but this time we brought the beer.
Yeah, and I brought the fuel.
Hey, the starter upper thingy. Let's see this monster.
Doesn't have a key.
You don't have a key?
No.
We can jump start it?
No, we got switches.
Oh, we got switches. Switches got stitches. This is my old Bronco.
Jesus.
B's got it now. Got a 5.8, E4D, all the goodies. 33s, leveling kit. Someday we'll make a video of it. Oh Lord. What's going on in here, man? Where's the tire?
This one right there.
It's not even bolted down.
That's just there.
Are we supposed to drive this thing?
I got a bunch of tires right here.
He's got tires. Okay, we got tires. There's a tank. The tank's there.
It's not connected though. It's not connected.
Does it work? It has a pump in it? There's a pump in it, so.
At least it's got studs in this side.
It's got studs.
That's nice.
Okay, that's nice to have. Jerry, this is a bonus. You can now clean the chassis up.
Yeah, I'll get to that. Pro Racer seat right there. Hold on.
Jerry! Hey, go sit in it, please. Please go sit in it, please. Just please go sit in it. Set it up. This is gonna be the thumbnail right here,
I
man.
live for tetanus.
Tetanus is just.
Tetanus is temporary voice forever.
Oh my god. The police is gonna have us in jail by 6 o'clock today.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
I can almost feel myself not dying.
Oh my god. This is golden. Look at the chair, boys. Look at the chair. Okay, who can hit us up with a free S10 chair? We need one.
S10.
Oh. Hey, let's open the hood. Let's open the hood. Did it do something? It didn't do anything, right?
Check it.
Okay, wait, maybe if I pull it.
Oh shit.
Hey, here we go. It doesn't even lock. Why did you pull it, man? Oh, it's got an engine. It's got an engine.
Oh, radiator though.
Oh my god.
It's fine.
Where's the radiator?
It's probably in the bag.
Okay.
Is this considered an Iron Duke? Is
Yes.
this an Iron Duke? 2.4?
I saw on Vice Grip Garage, the guy had a Fiero with a 4-cylinder and he called it an Iron Duke.
That's correct.
So is this have the same engine? Does this have the same engine?
Should be if it's TBI.
It looks like the same
There you go.
TBI setup. So.
There you go.
No, here's the hole somewhere over here, man. Here it is.
That's not the whole. Somewhere over here in Norway.
That's what she said.
Rusted. Oh crap.
Okay, we need a battery,
Radiator.
a radiator. Check the fluids, man.
What's
The oil. All we need is oil. Oh, it's got oil in it. Taste it.
Go ahead.
Tastes like dirty oil, just like my ex.
Okay.
Okay, boys.
Oh yeah.
Wait. Where's the floor? Oh.
It's right here.
Hey, I saw something. We can patch it up with license plates, man. So I have a bunch of license plates, so don't sweat it.
We can layer it and weld it on.
No, you put the license plates and put self-tap screws on it.
Glorious.
Glorious. Okay, check the brakes.
Oh, fuck you.
Check the brakes. Okay, it doesn't go to the floor. You got some? No, we got brakes.
Kind.
You got some kind of brakes. Okay, let's look at the parts.
You need tires, there's tires right there.
Tires.
You have some Suzuki Samurai.
They fit?
Seats right there.
Oh, we got a seat. Our see-through radiator, the best kind. We don't need fans where we're going.
Just need to get that.
Yeah. Why are you laughing so much, man? I can't take this shit anymore. Oh my god. This is gonna be a good time, boys. Does it fit? Oh, it is.
Oh, watch this real quick.
Clean it. Clean it. It's a copper one, so it's a good one. We don't need fins. If we drive fast enough.
It sounds like a fucking maraca. Listen to that. Listen.
It's got something in it. We don't care. We don't care. Okay, it kind of fits. With enough tie wraps and ratchet straps and glory holes and... Hey! Okay, cooling system is all set.
Okay. We need a fan though.
No, we don't need fans where we're going.
Alright.
Okay, so we need a few hose clamps.
Like 2, 3.
4.
Huh.
Three? Just 3, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Heavy duty tire.
This one has a. It has one right
That's
here.
what I'm saying. So we need 2 hose clamps. Okay, that's okay. What else? Fuel system. And a battery.
Let's see if it turns over. Probably should.
Yep.
It's a good old Chevy block. Should be fine.
Please let us know in the comments what is the reputation of this engine. If we should turbo it, explode it, or just don't give a crap. Okay, grab the battery.
Nasa na bateria?
Ay.
Yo, minha, diablo minha.
He said he's got V8s in here. No, these are V6s. This engine, the 4.0. That's a good engine, but we don't know. We don't want it. Those are good engines, you know. The European V6s, that's nice, but we don't want them.
Okay.
Okay, B, show him the switches. Oh, you gotta jump the star solenoid back there.
What's the speed limit?
Ano ba kere kita boy? Give it the beans. Did something, the connection. It's pretty dirty. Mess with the ground. There you go. Try it again.
Give it.
Wait. You gotta push down and turn. Push down and turn. There you go.
Got it.
Try now.
I think it made it worse.
Mess with this. Try now.
Meanwhile,
Functions as a rear opener. He thinks this radiator holds water. Let's try it out. That's a good tactic, Jerry. Keep doing that.
Oh yeah, it holds all the water.
No, it's leaking at the hose. It's leaking at the hose.
No.
No, it's not leaking at the hose.
It's straight out the radiator. Oh, I found the hole. What you know?
It's everywhere.
I think I found the radiator bolt too.
We don't need radiators. No, it's gotta have a cap off. Look at the cap right there. Fill it up.
Might be from the drain.
Yeah, it's a drain. Oh my, it's a drain. Look
At
at the
least the
camera.
radiator's clean.
Yeah. A1 repair job right here. Yeah. Put it down. This is take 1003. B! Where's the switches? Switches need stitches. Or something that starts with a B.
Banana.
I think we gotta hit the starter with a hammer or something, you know? Just to woke it up some more. Oh, it's got the switch 9000.
It's got the kill switch.
There you go! Woo woo! Do it again, Wait, just turn it over one more time. Okay, Jerry, hand me the... I almost poured beer in the engine. So I'm gonna put this right here. And hand me the carb cleaner. I'm gonna keep it running. Okay. Boys, we got life. It doesn't even smoke.
The engine sounds good, huh?
The engine sounds pretty good. Okay, let's try and get it running under its own fuel supply. We got this to work with. I'll show you guys real quick. Here's the tank. What's left of it. There's a pump in there somewhere. We're gonna check the wires, see if they work. B, is the pump connected to the switch? Yeah, because it's an in-tank pump. If we can get that to work, we have a fuel system. Let's try that. I'm gonna put the radiator and some fuel in the tank. I have the fuel tank holder 9000 right here. Some wire, I got it. Jerry, bring the fuel.
10 liters exactly. Better be 10 liters, motherfucker.
Yeah, 19 gillers up in there. Fill it up. Let's see if it's gonna run on its own fuel.
All we need is tires.
Yes, we need tires. Got this shit doesn't fit. Stupid tire. He had some spares over there, but they don't fit. There's some gasoline in there. Now we're gonna see if the truck runs on its own fuel supply. Watch out, man. Watch the paint. Watch the paint.
Yeah, the paint, huh?
Okay, wait. Do the on thingy with the thingy majiggy. Let's find out. Where's the carb cleaner so I can help it out? Wait. Here it is. Okay. Give it hell. Did you switch it on? Let me check if the pump. Let me check if the pump is working.
Hold on.
Do it again. Do it again. We got pumpage.
Alright.
Give it. Give it. Let's off the gas. Woo-hoo! Restart it. It's good. No way, man. This thing. Oh. Is the switch on? Yeah. Maybe it's not grabbing the fuel, or there's not enough fuel. There it goes. Take it easy now, take it easy now. We don't need an exhaust. Doesn't even smoke. Wait. Okay, we got an engine. Let's wait for some tires. So we'll be back. Oh, don't die, man. What the hell? Are you okay?
No.
What happened?
Nothing.
Okay, we have a problem. We don't have tires. So we're gonna check our good friend John if he can borrow us some tires for tomorrow morning. Okay, so we'll be back tomorrow morning early, around 10 o'clock.
Bible Kings back, Abby?
And we'll try and take this home.